Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using C++ programming language that will ask the user to give three numbers, and then our program will compute the total sum of three numbers using a function in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Basically, I'm using code blocks as my IDE or integrated development environment in writing this program. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output. So every C++ program has this library file. What does this library files? It enables us to declare commands like console out, console in, looping statements, for example, pointers, using namespace std. Now let us create a function here. We have here a function called add _ 3 _ numbers, integer, and then we have three passing parameters. So we have x and x, y, z that has a data type of integer. When we say integer, it refers to a data type that can accept only 0, positive and negative whole numbers. And then begin, we have here return. It will return the value x plus y plus z, and then we close. So in this main function, it is the starting and ending point of every execution in C++. So we have here another set of variables. We have 4, a, b, c, and sum, which has a data type again of integer. So what do you observe, no? So in our function, it should be uniform. If we declare this portion integer, our variable should have an integer also, because if we are using double or float, it will create an error, data type incompatibility. So it should be the same. So we have here the title, addition of three numbers using functions in C++. New line here in this line of code, line 17 and 18, we are asking the user to give three numbers a, b, and c. And then some assignment statement, we are calling already the function that we have declared above, add _ 3 _ numbers a, b, and c, and then we display the result. The sum of a, comma, b, and c is sum, whatever the total sum which our functions perform here. And then new line and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended in your new line here to new line close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us build and run. Okay, let us wait. Okay, our program is running properly, no? Addition of three numbers using functions in C++. Enter three numbers 5, 6, and 7. The sum of 5, 6, and 7 is 18. End of program. That is correct. Another example, 4, 56, and 7. The sum of 4, 56, and 7 is 67. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video of addition of three numbers using functions in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.